Ndewonu, kedu ka unu mere? Nke a bụ Igbo Daily. In the last classes, we've been talking about market Igbo. It's important to learn how to talk in the market, how to say, I want to buy this, I want to buy that. Therefore, today we will be looking at market dialogue. Mkparịta ụka n'ahịa, market dialogue. So when you want to buy something, you approach the seller, you say, Ndewo, onye na-ere, meaning hello, who is selling? And the person responds, Ndewo, obum, gịnị ka ị chọrọ ego? Meaning, hello, it's me, what do you want to buy? And you can respond by saying, achọrọ m ego. Then you put what you want to put there, but for this example, we use agwa. I want to buy beans.